Welcome back. This is the front bodies, and what I'll be doing is to join the 1 inch we added. I'm going to join it all the way to the crotch parts of the front. Now I'm going to cut out facing. I'll be needing facing for the front as well. I'll first iron interfacing, that's your BFF, stay or paper stay, just very small at the neck parts of my jumpsuit so as to hold it firm. Alright, this is my interfacing and this is my fabric for the interface. And the next thing I'm going to do is to turn the neck. I'm also going to do that to the back. Alright, working on the back, the next is to um, join the crotch parts. So I'm going to leave the zip space, just get the length. You can measure the length. So I'm going to stop here, which means joining from the crotch part, I'll stop my joining here so I can fix the zip. After fixing the zip, the next is to join the shoulder. Then we'll bring out the shape from the side. I'm going to work on this side first, then I'll change the threads in order to complete the other side of my fabric. So to join the shoulder, I need to turn To bring out this shape from the side, is going to be the circumference measurement divided by 2, which is going to be bust divided by 2, the under bust circumference divided by 2, waist, and then the hip as well. Now, after bringing out the side shapes, the next thing we're going to do is to bring out the ankle measurements, the lower thigh and the upper thigh. To do that, you have to bring the crotch part, make sure it aligns just like this. Then I'll bring this together. Now when you bring this together, you have to make sure it's equal, like the length here is straight. As you can see, it's kind of bent when you look at it. So for that reason, I'm going to reduce here by 1 inch, by 1 inch, so that by the time I trim it off, it's going to align with this part of my trouser. And I will repeat the same on the other side. Just like a slant shape. So from here, what I'm going to do is to make fold in the base first, then I'll bring out the measurements. That now it's going to be the ankle divided by 2, the upper thigh divided by 2, just like that. So normally I ought to stand my needle and turn to continue the joining, but because I need to change the thread to for this side, so I'll just remove it, then I'll continue from there to the base. So after joining, we're going to turn it out and see what we have. And I guess the only thing we need to do is to add a sleeve, and you can add the sleeve of your choice. I already did that on my jumpsuit, so, and this is the end results after joining. So I'm left with hemming the neck, the facing, and also I'm going to weave all the inside in order to have a neat finish. Go ahead and finish yours, iron it and post it on our Facebook group and tag Kharis Kreations so I can talk about you in my next video. Don't forget to leave your comments, ask questions you want to ask in the comment section, and follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter at Afriq TV. Follow me on Facebook, on Instagram, and on Twitter at Kharis Kreations. Till I see you next class, stay safe.